What is up? All right, check this out. We're back at the property we were at
Friday.
We were just here Friday. Anyways, I don't know if you remember this tree in the last video, but we got all this stuff pruned up, and then around there we got that building all pruned up. It looks good. Looks very good. What are we gonna do today?
Mowing, trimming, blowing out the parking lots, making it look even better.
Blowing out the parking lot. So you can see some of this debris right here gets built up in the curbs. That's just from the trees. So by the end of today, we will literally blow out this curb, because for one, we're gonna have some debris here from the lawnmowers. But we blow out that curb, we blow out that stuff. There's not a lot that we blow out over here, but there's some big parking lots over there that we blow out, and the bank, something right here we blow out. But anyways, we're gonna show a little bit of that. We're gonna try to film a little bit of what we're doing all day today. So we'll show some properties, I'll show some lawn mowing, we'll show Matt here trimming, and we'll just try to put together a little video together today and see what we do all day, every day. So stay tuned. Folks, check it out. There goes old Skyler. I had to go in one of these offices and talk to some people, but you can see we just kind of blow this stuff out. Now, makes a little bit of difference. Like you can see, not much of a difference, but it makes that much of a difference. You can see kind of how clean the parking lot is. It just makes a huge difference. Do it. All right, folks, check this out. Safety first. We got our seatbelts on, even though, well, I do. Matt's getting there. We're just in a parking lot.
I always get it on.
He does.
The seatbelt.
Safety first. But check this out. So this property here, we do a little bit of work here to keep the weeds down. But let me show you here real quick. This is actually a beautiful location for a business, other than all the homelessness and the trash and all that stuff. But yes, check this out. I know my windshield's a little dirty, but I'm gonna stick you out here real quick. But look at this parking lot. You see that? You see the curbs? This is what we blew out. That makes a humongous difference in blowing this out every week.
Yep.
Yeah? It's kind of a pain in the butt, but at the same time we charge for it, and we make it look good. So we're gonna turn around here. Look at this. So we blow off that little spot, blow out the parking lot. Sometimes there's branches that we don't always blow, but overall we try to get it all. Oh, I'm gonna go up the curb here. Oh, there we go. But overall, oh, minus that, that's my fault. I did that. Normally we try not to blow leaves up onto the lawn, and when we do, if it's just a little section like that, we'll just blow them off. But honestly, I apologize for that. That's my fault. Look at this, it's just a curb. Oh, look at the curb. Just look how clean it is. It just adds to the beauty of the lawn and everything else. So, on to the next.
On to the next.
On to the next. We're ready. You carry a cone. That way, you can park wherever you want. And if you have a cone, you can just park there. I got a car trying to pass me here.
She wasn't even paying attention.
No, she wasn't. She just tried going around me. I was already moved. But, anyways, that concludes today's mowing. I got some mounts. I'm gonna get something set up so I can just throw it on the lawnmower. Anyways, what lessons did we learn today?
Well, lessons learned that some people don't like to pick up their dog poop. They'll put it in the bags and then just leave the bags on the ground. I don't know if that's laziness or if that's hope that somebody else is going to do it for them.
We charge dog poop fees.
Yep. Other lesson learned today. That's about it right now.
I didn't learn any lessons today. Well, I guess other than just some people can't drive. Majority, 95% of people can't drive.
A lot of people can't drive.
But other than that, that's it. I'm gonna edit this. Let us know in the comments if you want to see something specific, or if you got any questions, or if you just want to chit chat, just say hi, whatever. Again, subscribe, like, comment, share it with your mother. I think the first thing you got to do after you watch this is just send it to your mom.
I'll let my mom know.
He'll let his mom know. Alrighty, have a good day. One of these days we're gonna have some fancy catchy thing that we're gonna say
Phrase at the end
to send you out, but today we're gonna leave you with this so delicious. We're gonna grab us blue balls. It's It's really not copped that, but I'm getting one today.
I'm getting the AK special.
AK special. Let us know if you go get drinks. We
After
do.
work. Not during, but after.
Yeah, we're done.
Later.